Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to allow or give permission to other user role to approve member registration in Ultimate Member plugin in WordPress. By default, only admin can approve member registration. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Ultimate Member plugin and we are in user role. Now you see we have these user role. For example, if we want to allow or give permission to editor user role to approve member registration in Ultimate Member plugin. So we are in user role. So first edit user role according to your requirement. So we are going to give permission to editor user role. So click on edit. So we are in editor user role and then you see administrative permission. So enable this option, can access WP admin, enable, and then disable this option, force hiding admin bar in front end. So enable this option and disable this option and then click on update role. So after that we are going to install plugin. Now you see user role updated successfully. On left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin. Then in search plugin, write user role editor. So this is plugin user role editor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see users and then you see user role editor. So click on it and then you see we are in select role and change its capabilities. Now you see drop down, now select and then you see all user role we have and then you see editor. So click on it. So you can select role and give permission according to your requirement. Now we select editor and then you see all. Now you see quick filter. So we are going to enable some option. Now you see quick filter. Now paste. Now you see underscore approve underscore members. So enable this option. So this is for ultimate member, approved member capability. We are going to assign to editor user role. So we enable this option. After that, go to users. So click on it and then you see enable delete user, edit user. Also enable this option, list user, to display all user list. So click on it. So we enable list user, edit user, delete user, and also we enable this option underscore approve underscore members and then click on update and then click on yes. Now you see role is updated successfully. Now go to another login with editor role. So this is our editor role. Now refresh the page and then on left side you see user. Before you don't see any user and then you see all users. So click on it. Now you see all user list subscriber. Now you see Asansha and then you see role subscriber and then you see status pending administrative review. Now you see approve, reject, send activation email or deactivate. So click on approve. Now you see this user Asansha approve. Now you see status. So when you hover on it, you see another option also, put as pending, send activation email, deactivate, but now approve status you see. So in this way you can allow other user role to approve ultimate member registration. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.